Morning, hi. This is Travis from the National Weather Service. This is your weather hazard briefing for Saturday, April 2nd. We are looking for breezy to moderate winds today, um, with the system moving through. Just very light snow across our northern areas, mainly along the Montana border. Looks like we will have strong enough winds for wind advisories across the Snake Plain and our southwest areas. We do have a stronger system after a short lull on Sunday, on Monday into Tuesday. Looks like even stronger winds. Not only a sure deal for wind advisories, but most likely some areas that may need high wind warnings for receiving gusts over 58 miles an hour potentials there. And then that, like I said, that is a strong cold front, so we are going to be much cooler, particularly as we move into Wednesday and Thursday. So currently we kind of just see we have a little weak cold front right here. You can see it pretty well in the first couple images right there. And that is going to break down this high pressure ridge that we have over us and move over us today and bring some quite breezy to moderate winds across our area for this afternoon into early evening. So you can see that here. We do have these kind of coded as minor potential here for impacts, mainly just because the potential for blowing dust, kind of the key areas that we're looking for, is kind of I-84 near Idaho, and then we're also I-86 near American Falls, and then I-15 north of Idaho Falls are the main areas that we're kind of looking at for potential for blowing dust, but still looking at, like I said, those moderate winds as well for their south hills. And then also you'll have some moderate winds for all our ridge tops, but as far as down low, there's certainly be breezy to moderate, but with lesser impacts, but still be a windy day. Temperatures near normal. Sunday, that high pressure builds in. Pretty nice day, very similar to what yesterday. And then we have that system Monday into Tuesday, and you can see that valley rain, the snow levels will start quite high, particularly across our southeast areas. Ahead of the front, the southerly wind will be around 7,000 feet, around 5,500 to 6,000 feet in the central mountains as that system moves in. But as it comes in, they'll drop to valley floors. So we are looking for some snow across. The main snow will be across the Sawtooth area and potential for 6 to 8 inches on the extreme western slopes. But in general, just 2 to 4 inches in our northern areas in the central mountains. And then also looking for snow, like I said, for our southeast and eastern highlands, mainly along the Wyoming border. But again, that's going to be pretty high snow levels, at least initially, Monday afternoon. And then they do drop a little bit in the evening, so there's potential snow there. I'll show you the amounts in a minute, and that snow lingers into Tuesday morning. The front actually moves through Tuesday morning, and with the stronger winds, actually looks like they'll be strong throughout, but the stronger looks like Tuesday morning at this moment. And then again, it brings that cooler air on Wednesday. So here's your temperature for today, 5 degrees above normal. Here's your wind gust. A good solid 35 to 40 as far as your winds, and then there's potential for some of the ridge tops to hit 50. You can kind of see the specklings of the 50 across the area there. And here's our snow amounts. Overall, really light. The extreme northern areas could get 1 to 2 inches, but very light, particularly along the Montana divide. And then our high temperatures Sunday, again, about 5 degrees above normal. We'll have high pressure ridging and mostly clear skies, at least initially. And then in terms of cloudy ahead of that next system that's going to move through Monday Monday afternoon into Tuesday morning. You can see here's your temperatures around normal. Again, just because that system moves in later. And then here's your gusts on Monday. And then progressively, this is more, this is throughout the day, 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. But as you go into the evening, you can see they actually get stronger, and then even in the morning, they're fairly strong as well throughout the day on Tuesday. Here's your snow amounts. I mentioned those up to potentially 6 to 8 inches, particularly along the western edges of the Sawtooths. And then we do look like along the Wyoming border that we can see some snow as well. Generally, that's going to be like 2 to 4 inches So not as much as what we're going to see in the western slopes of the Central Mountains. Again, I already showed you the winds here for Tuesday, and then our temperatures Tuesday morning. Cooler than what we've seen recently, but really going to see the cold air really filter in during the day on Tuesday. Just highs of in the 40s and 30s in the mountains, and then you see those morning temperatures in the 20s, the low 20s for the upper Snake Plain, and then teens for the mountains. Wednesday's temperatures they do warm back up, but still a little bit below normal. And then just as a recap, we are looking for a system move through today, bringing breezy to moderate winds. Starting this afternoon, it'll peak around 2 to 6, 2 o'clock for 2 to 3 o'clock for our western areas, and 5 to 6 for our eastern areas. And then a little bit of a lull on Sunday with high pressure building in, and then even a stronger system Monday into Tuesday with wind advisories, most likely, if not high wind warnings, on Monday afternoon into Tuesday morning with those strong winds. And then because of that cold front moving through, we are looking cooler than normal temperatures on Wednesday. So if you have any questions, give us a call here at this number. This concludes the briefing. Thank you.